Hi grade 9s, I hope you're all well and that you are doing all your work so far. Okay, so this is lesson 5, addition and subtraction of algebra expressions. Okay, so when we add and subtract expressions in algebra or algebraic terms, there is two very important things that we have to remember, and we have to know these two things. So write it in your book, write all the examples in your book as well. Okay, when we add or subtract, okay, any algebra terms or expressions, the exponent will stay the same. Okay, for example, you see here 8x to the power of 3 plus 2x to the power of 3 is 10x3. Okay, so we add the 8 and the 2. We do not add the exponents. Okay, the second important thing to add or subtract algebraic expressions, the term or the expression must be the same. Okay, terms are the same when letters like x, y, or a, b, or whatever are the same, and when the exponents are the same. Okay, so when letters are the same and when the exponents are the same. For example, okay, 7n to the power of 3 plus 7n to the power of 2. Okay, although the letters are the same, the exponents are not the same. So you cannot add or subtract this. You cannot do this. Okay, so this will stay the same. Both these things, guys, must be there. The letters must be the same as well as the exponents. Okay, second example. Do you see the exponents are the same, but the letters differ? So we cannot add this. Okay, the third example. 12n to the power of 3 plus 3n to the power of 3. Now we have the same exponent, we have the same letter, so we can add it. But what does my rule say? It says that when we add the exponents with the same value, because they have to be the same, they will stay the same. Okay, so we add the 12 and the 3, and that is 15n to the power of 3. The exponent stays the same. Okay. So let's do these few examples. Okay, so the first one is 7 x to the power of 2y plus 3xy to the power of 2 minus 4x to the power of 2y. Okay, first of all, remember to be able to add or subtract something here, the letters must be the same and the exponents must be the same. So we're going to make friends out of these. Okay, there we have an x to the power of 2, and there we have an x to the power of 2 and y. Okay, great. So these two are the same. So we can add or subtract those, but not that one. Okay, because the term is not the same as here. So we're going to say 7 minus 4 is 3. So it's 3x to the power of 2y plus 3xy to the power of 2. And further than that, we cannot simplify it. Okay, the second example. Okay, now again, guys, we're going to look for the matching terms. Okay, here we have an x with a 3 exponent. Here we have an x with an exponent of 3y to the power of 2 and y. Okay, so now we can see this one and this one match. But this doesn't match because that x has an exponent of 2, and these ones have a 3 exponent. Okay, so these two match. Guys, it doesn't matter if the x and y is not in the same place. Okay, it doesn't matter. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. X, remember the exponents stay the same, plus x to the power of 2 and y to the power of 3. So that is the only step we can do here. Okay, so I'm going to make another video. Part 2 is coming.